Hey everyone, are you trying to play Roblox on your Android phone or tablet but the app keeps crashing right when you launch it? It is a really frustrating problem. But don't worry, in this video I'll show you a few simple fixes to get you back to playing your favorite games. First, let's make sure the issue isn't on Roblox's end. Sometimes the servers can go down for maintenance or experience an unexpected outage. A quick search on a site like Down Detector or the official Roblox status pages on social media will let you know if there's a wider problem. If the servers are down, all you can do is wait for them to be back online. Solution 2. Check for app updates. An outdated version of Roblox is a common cause of crashing. Head over to the Google Play Store, search for Roblox, and make sure you have the latest version installed. New updates often include bug fixes and performance improvements that can prevent the app from crashing. Solution 3. Close other apps and restart your device. Too many apps running in the background can hog your phone's resources and cause Roblox to crash. Swipe to close all other applications and try launching the game again. If that doesn't work, a full restart of your device can clear out any temporary glitches that are affecting the app. Solution 4. Clear the app's cache and data. A very effective fix on Android is to clear the app's cache and data. Go to your phone settings, find apps, and then scroll down until you find Roblox. Once you are able to find it, you have to tap on it. Go to Storage and Cache, and at the very bottom you will see there Clear Cache icon. Tap on it. Clearing the cache is a good first step, and it won't log you out. If that doesn't work, clearing the data will reset the app completely, but you'll need to log back into your account. Solution 5. Check your device's storage space. Games need a certain amount of free storage space to run correctly. Go to your phone settings and check how much space you have available. If your storage is nearly full, try deleting some old photos, videos, or unused apps to free up some space. Solution 6. Reinstall the game. If you have tried all of these steps, a clean reinstallation might be the final fix. First, uninstall the Roblox app completely, then restart your device to clear any remaining temporary files. Finally, go back to the Google Play Store and download a fresh copy of Roblox. This ensures you have a clean installation without any corrupted files. Hopefully, one of these solutions help you fix the crashing problem and get back to playing Roblox. If you're still experiencing issues, you may need to contact Roblox support for more specific help.